welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is John and today I'm showing you guys what's in my bag. It's one of my newest babies and I love it so much. It feels like amazing, you guys. I got this from Mango. I think it's a Spanish brand. And it's just like a crossover or over the shoulder bag. And yep, now I'm showing you what's inside here. The first thing that's probably the most important thing for all of us is my iPhone. So yeah, that's the first thing. Then I got my purse in here as well. This one is from Topshop and I think it's just so handy. It's quite big, but for me it's like so handy and it's so classy because it's black and golden and I just love it, you guys. The next thing is a notebook and this one is from Star Wars, and yeah, I'm a big Star Wars fan, for those of you who don't know that yet. So yeah, just carry this around with me because my 2018 agenda is quite too big and quite too heavy as well. I would love to carry that around with me, but as I said, it's quite big, it's quite heavy, so that's not that handy. So yeah, just keep my notebook with me. The next thing is like so cute. It's from Whaaattt Beauty. It says life is sweet and it's just like a cute little bag. I love the details on this as well. And I use this for like medicine, stuff like that. Like you never know when you get like headaches and stuff like that, so I think it's like perfect. Put medicine inside because it's like so flat, you know. It's like not that practical for like makeup or something, but for medicine it's like perfect. Then I got some hand lotion in here and I love this one so much. It's like so smoothing and yeah. The next thing is a chapstick. I always need these in my bag as well because I hate the feeling of dry lips. And today I got like a matte lipstick on and I'm not feeling very good with this. So yeah, I always got a chapstick with me. Next thing are just Tic Tacs in mint. They are amazing, I love these. Then I got a perfume. This is Wish by Chopard and I think it matches my bag so much. Oh my gosh, you guys. Coincidence? Well, I don't think so. I got some tissues in here as well. And of course, I have to put some chocolate or some sweets in my bag like always because I get like so hungry. And I got these vanilla chocolate kind of thing and it's just so amazing. I got a pen in here as well for my notebook. And the last thing is just like my keys. Yeah. Love this Batman thing right here. So cute. And that's like everything I put in this bag. I would usually put like water or a smoothie or something like that in my bag as well. But this one is a little too tiny to put anything else in here, so yeah, that's just it. You see how cute it is. It's so cute, you guys. That's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video with me. If you did like it, then give this video a big thumbs up, please. That will make me so happy. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't been subscribed already. And yep, I hope to see you soon. Goodbye.